My name is Bartosz Beda. I'm an artist and painter. I live in Dallas, Texas, and I have a studio in Mesquite. In 2018, I rented a studio in Mesquite. What I like about this space and also about Mesquite, that it reminds me a little bit of Manchester, where we have that combination of different cultural backgrounds, as well as combination of manufacturing companies or distribution centers with residencies and people living here. So it's something that also can be additional form of inspiration for my work.
My name is Nishiki Sugawara-Beda. I'm from Japan. I'm a visual artist. I mainly paint, but I also do a video work or installation work that's based on the concept that I'm dealing with in painting. My artistic journey actually started from my family. We all wanted to make something original, like something original. So you look at the table, you like it, but we don't buy it, or we didn't buy it, we made it. You know, that's kind of a family that I grown up. So I always, I wanted to do my own. Sometimes each paintings calls for some event that I had this morning, or some colors that I saw, the couple of days ago. That little event kicks me off to visualize something, or to some sort of an image. There's no a specific inspiration that I'm seeking. In this case, I try to be true to that moment, and I lay down some ink.
The general inspiration for my paintings come from phrases or interesting word that is not commonly used but has a lot of meaning attached to it. I'm from Poland, and I speak Polish, and that's my mother tongue. Then I usually was translating words, and oftentimes I was translating words from Polish to German and from German to English. And even if the words are the same, you will be surprised how different meaning you can get. And that way, that gives me already a concept for my painting.
My husband works very differently from how I work. I really admire him.
I get influence from all sources, including my wife, who is an artist, painter as well. She's definitely a different painter than I am, and uses different mediums as well as different approach.
I remember watching him paint, and it's a very different language, and I mentioned that oh, this part I kind of want to feel like I want to have a line, or something this area, maybe a reddish color. Then he's like, oh, okay, and then he just did it just right in front of me, and there's no hesitation. It's not much planning, which is fantastic for art. So I admire that, and I try to just incorporate that part into my work too.
When I met Nishiki, at that time she was using Japanese calligraphy in her painting. So basically she was writing the word or painting the word in calligraphy. Before I met her, I was using that search engine of words and translations between the languages. So that's just a reverse process of applying the word in the painting, where I try to maybe find a word and then build a visual aspect of it by researching maybe images or bringing some figurative things to the surface.
I aspire to paint that speak to somebody in a very core level. So what I want is to communicate with somebody else through my work. And what I want to communicate, it doesn't really matter. It's how is really important to me. That how, from my heart to somebody's heart. So I call it a core, and from a core to core, and sort of pure transition of something. And that's why I'm aiming through my art.
We all have different stages in our life, and those stages influence our point of view at this moment. So when people approaching my work, then I want them to approach the paintings with all that baggage that they came in. So if they have positive or negative emotions, then I want them to expose them to the paintings and let the paintings speak to them. For the exhibition coming up in the Mesquite Arts Center, myself and Nishiki will be showing paintings that we hope will be in connection to each other.
So then the exhibition at the Mesquite Arts Center will have combination of his work and my work. My work visually will have more color. So what you see is it's black and white, but that body of work that I'm planning to sort of intertwine with his work has more color.
Maybe we should think about this exhibition as a form of marriage, that we just brought one thought into the exhibition, explored into different forms of paintings.